Hello, my name is Inez Simpson and I teach a process called Simpson Protocol. This is a deep state hypnosis therapy process that works with the client's own mind to resolve the issue. Any issue, whether it's physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, or even a soul issue. The process works with any issue because it works, as I said, with the client's own mind and something we call the superconscious mind. And as everything about us is connected to the mind and the superconscious, it works great. There are many advantages to using Simpson Protocol. For instance, you don't have to actually know what the issue is, as it's the client's own mind that works on it. You don't have to have a script for every issue. There are no scripts. But mostly, this process allows a brand new person, someone who has in fact never used hypnosis as therapy before, can learn the process in class and use it the next week after they're finished the class. But that's not what I really wanted to tell you. I used to teach live classes in a conference room or a hotel meeting room, 10, 15, 20, sometimes even 40 people over a 4-day period. But times change, and I'm a little older and I like to take things a little easier. Now I teach intimate personal classes on Zoom to 4, maybe 6 students at a time from all over the world, as this is live on Zoom. So a couple of things. I love teaching a small intimate class. It allows each person full exposure to the process, and they learn it on such a deep and personal level. And teaching online means no travel, no booking hotels. Distance isn't an issue. I can have a class with someone from Nashville, someone from London, UK, and someone from Europe. And if you're happy to get up early or stay up late, places like Dubai or South Pacific or South Africa. I have found over the years, many years of working online, that actually the process both of learning and the hypnosis session are more profound online than live. Different, of course, but somehow, because of the client and the student has already taken the step of belief, by accepting this will work at a distance, things really happen well. And also being online, action at a distance, it has allowed the Simpson Protocol process to work at a deeper level for so many more serious issues and have more profound outcomes. Also, being a small class online, there's lots of time for practice and connection. We run each class over 6 Saturdays, each session being around 2.5 to 3 hours, maybe a little more at times. And after the class, the full certification process is included. You can find all the details in the link below this video, but I just want to put it out there. These intimate boutique classes are so productive. And each student learns so much more than they did previously in our 4-day classes. Whether they have had any previous experience with hypnosis before or not. And it has allowed the process itself to expand its results, while also simplifying the process. Anyway, there you go. The next class is coming up soon, so maybe check it out. Any questions, feel free to email me